Hey everybody, welcome back to my show. I'm so excited to have you here today because we have a fascinating topic to discuss. I read the most fascinating statistic the other day. It really got me thinking, and I couldn't wait to share it with you all. Did you know that 97% of women admit to checking someone out within the first 10 seconds of meeting them? Yes, you heard that right. 97%. That's almost all of us. It's a natural human behavior, and it's something we all do, often without even realizing it. So, naturally, I got curious about what they're looking at. What catches their eye? What makes them take a second glance? And that's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the subtle cues and signals that women pick up on when they check someone out. In this video, we're going to reveal what's really going through a woman's mind when she checks you out. Is it your smile, your confidence, or maybe something else entirely? Get ready for some juicy insights. We're going to break it all down and give you the inside scoop on what women are really thinking. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Secret 1, that smile though. First impressions matter, and you know what makes a fantastic first impression? It's that genuine, heartfelt smile that lights up your face and makes you seem approachable and kind. A smile can break the ice and create an instant connection. A genuine smile. It's like a beacon of warmth and approachability. When you smile, it sends a message that you're open and friendly. It's an invitation for others to engage with you. When a woman sees you smile, it instantly puts her at ease. It tells her that you're someone she can trust, someone who is kind and considerate. A smile can make all the difference in how you're perceived. It tells her that you're friendly, approachable, and maybe even a little bit fun. A smile can convey so much without a single word. It shows that you're confident and comfortable in your own skin. Think about it. Who are you more drawn to? Someone who's frowning or someone who's rocking a megawatt grin? A smile can be incredibly contagious, spreading positivity and joy to those around you. Exactly. A smile is like a universal language that says, "Hey, I'm a nice person, come talk to me." It's a simple gesture that can open doors, create opportunities, and build lasting relationships. So, never underestimate the power of a genuine smile. It can truly change the way people see you and how you interact with the world. Secret 2, dress to impress. All right, let's talk fashion. Ladies, I know you feel me on this one. We definitely notice what you're wearing. But it's not about having the trendiest clothes or the most expensive brands. It's about putting effort into your appearance and choosing clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. It shows us that you care about yourself and how you present yourself to the world. Plus, a man who knows how to dress well? That's just... Secret 3, stand tall, my friend. Posture, posture, posture. You've heard it a million times, but it's true. Standing tall and confident can make all the difference. It instantly makes you appear more attractive and approachable. Think about it, when you see someone slouching, it kind of gives off a vibe of insecurity, right? But when you see someone standing tall with their shoulders back, it exudes confidence and self-assurance. And trust me, confidence is incredibly sexy. Secret 4, the power of your voice. You know that feeling when you hear someone with a voice that just melts you? Yeah, that's a real thing. A calm, steady voice is incredibly attractive. It conveys confidence, intelligence, and trustworthiness. It's not about having the deepest voice or trying to sound like a radio announcer. It's about speaking with clarity and purpose. And hey, a little bit of humor sprinkled in never hurts either. Secret 5, eyes are the window to the soul. They say eyes are the window to the soul, and it's so true. Our eyes can convey a myriad of emotions without us even saying a word. From joy and excitement to sadness and anger, the eyes can express it all. They are a powerful tool in communication, often revealing our true feelings and intentions. Making eye contact is crucial when you're interacting with someone, especially someone you're interested in. It can be a subtle yet powerful way to show your interest and build a connection. When you look into someone's eyes, you are telling them that they have your full attention and that you value what they are saying. It shows that you're engaged, present, and genuinely interested in what they have to say. Eye contact can also create a sense of intimacy and trust, making the other person feel more comfortable and open with you. It's a simple yet effective way to strengthen your relationships and make meaningful connections. Plus, a little eye contact can create a spark of connection that's pretty magical. Whether it's a flirty glance across the room or a deep, meaningful look into someone's eyes, eye contact can ignite a sense of chemistry and attraction. It's a powerful way to communicate your feelings without saying a word. Just remember, there's a fine line between smoldering eye contact and staring intensely. While eye contact can be captivating, too much of it can make the other person feel uncomfortable or even threatened. It's important to find the right balance and be mindful of the other person's comfort level. You want to be captivating, not creepy. So, use your eyes to connect, engage, and express your emotions, but always be respectful and considerate of the other person's feelings. Remember, the eyes truly are the window to the soul, and they can reveal so much more than words ever could. Sign 6, Grooming Goals. Okay, fellas, let's talk grooming. Now, I'm not saying you need to spend hours in front of the mirror or anything, but taking care of your appearance is important. A little effort goes a long way. This means keeping your hair neat and tidy, trimming your beard, or rocking a clean-shaven look, and maybe even investing in a nice cologne. Remember, smelling good is just as important as looking good. Sign 7, laughter is the best medicine and aphrodisiac. You know what they say, laughter is the best medicine. And you know what else? It's a powerful aphrodisiac. A good sense of humor can be incredibly attractive. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously, you're able to find joy in the little things, and you can make someone laugh. And let's be honest, who doesn't love to laugh? Sign 8, be a social butterfly. We're all drawn to people who are friendly, approachable, and easy to talk to. When you're out and about, try to be open and engaging with those around you. Strike up conversations, be a good listener, and don't be afraid to show your charming personality. You never know who you might meet. Secret 9, confidence is key. Confidence, my friends, is key. When you believe in yourself and your worth, it shows. It radiates from you like a beacon of attractiveness. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or cocky. It's about knowing your strengths, embracing your flaws, and being comfortable in your own skin. And trust me, that kind of confidence is irresistible. Secret 10, putting it all together. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the power of a smile to the importance of confidence. Remember, when a woman checks you out, she's taking in the whole package. It's about the way you carry yourself, the energy you radiate, and the way you make her feel. So go out there, be your best selves, and let your amazing personality shine through. Until next time. Well, there you have it. The secrets are out. Remember, these are just a few of the things women notice. The most important thing is to be yourself, be confident, and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you thought. And hey, if you have any funny dating stories, I want to hear those too. Until next time, be kind to one another.